Hello, my name is Alan Ivan, and in this video, I'm going to guide you through Jira software, more exactly Jira Project Management, which is the software tool I have used to plan and schedule my final project. On the homepage, we got a menu on the left, which says roadmap, backload, board, and reports. These are the four components that I have used. We are currently on the roadmap, which consists of a list of project objectives and a scheduling for all of them across the time. We can view this by weeks or by months or by quarters. Each objective has a set of tasks and representative color for an objective that has been completed, such as setup, which consists of project allocation, blog templates, timeline, Kanban boards, and general planning. Or a blue and gray line, which is in progress. In our case, currently the research, which is in progress. Tasks can be labeled with in progress or to do, and we will see in the board section what that means. If we click for example, an objective, we can get more detailed information about that objective, such as title, the milestones or deliverables of that specific objectives. For example, if you go to MDX4, identify optimal data and integrate into machine learning, this objective has as milestones the fact that optimal data is identified, the data is processed and integrated into machine learning. ML and machine learning processes are using the data to train and evaluate engagement of the user, and machine learning models are saved to persist for further usage. Now, if we go back to MDX2 research and we go to, for example, Qt robust camera sensors and capabilities, we can observe details such as the SNE, which is always me, the sprint, which is taking part of, which we will see in the backlog section shortly. And this relates to cases in which coding is involved and the alteration of the source code on the GitLab. Now, if we go into the backlog, remember there is a sprint from which each tasks or objectives takes part of. We will observe the sprint called research, in which we have the current tasks that we see them in the roadmap and the research objective. So we got these tasks here. They're labeled that's in progress or to do. This purple label is the objective of which the tasks are part of, and the backlog consists any other tasks and objectives that are not in current focus. So current focus is research at this stage of the project, being end of June. The next section is the board or the Kanban board, which lists all the tasks that are current in focus, along with the label for the current objective in focus, which is research, and tasks are moved from one column to the other as I progress through the objective. And the latest option is reports, which in which we can generate some charts according to our activity. So, for example, we can generate a cumulative flow diagram, which can also be accessed from the blog website. And that's pretty much it. I hope this was useful, and thank you very much for listening.